If you are a banana lover, then read these shocking facts. Banana is a fruit which is extremely rich in minerals and vitamins. It has incredible medicinal properties and help us to keep away from various dangerous diseases. Benefits of banana: constipation and diarrhea. Banana is very rich in dietary fiber, which helps us in getting rid of almost all the digestive problems such as constipation and diarrhea. Heart attack and stroke. Because banana is very rich in potassium and has a very less amount of sodium, hence a person consuming a banana every day has a very less chance of getting heart attack or stroke. Treats depression. The rich amount of tryptophan present in the banana, when consumed, it is converted into serotonin, which helps us to keep our mood happy as it is a brain neurotransmitter. Regulates blood sugar levels. Banana is one of the best fruit for diabetes because it is very helpful in regulating the blood sugar levels and also enhance our mood. Boost your energy. Banana helps us to boost our energy level. It is far better than the most of the energy drinks consumed by various athletes for energy. Just have 2 bananas a day and you will feel full of energy all day long. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.